understand why you stay. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it.
Hey guys, it's Karen. So I'm back. I feel like I've been gone for a while and I've done a few videos, but my face really wasn't in them. I have had a lot of stuff going on, so it's been difficult. If you guys have ever dealt with depression and stress and anxiety, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'll tell you what, I was so out of it. A couple of days, I went to go get gas in my car and get coffee, and I went and got the coffee first. That's what I was thinking, and ran out of gas in the line at Starbucks. Like, who does that? Then I was like, Karen, you're gonna need a day or two. So then I have these like pots for my kitchen, and I had bought these small pots. Well, I thought they were bigger than what they were. Anyway, they're real pots. I've used them a few times when I'm only making like one egg or whatever, the frying pan. So I have those. And then recently I bought a set of pots, and I'll include pictures in here for my son's kitchen set. I accidentally put one of those on the stove. You don't even want to know. It was horrible. Then I'm gonna have a story for you very, very soon. My kitchen is finished, but it's going to have to be, the countertops are going to have to be ripped apart and redone. Yeah. So that is what I've been going and dealing with and making my head all foggy and just stressed out and all this stuff. So I may share what happens. It looks like I'm going to have to contact a lawyer. We'll see what happens there, but I will let you guys know in the future, and I will put some pictures at some point so you guys can see the before and after, because I know that we've talked about that. Today I am going to be doing a look with the last palette in the collection of Christmas Around the World, Too Faced Christmas in New York. So I hope you want to join me for that, and I will get on your big t-shirt, get out your brushes, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're going to do things a little bit backwards for me today. I'm going to do my eyeshadow before my brows. There's a reason for it. I have a new brow product to try out. So I went ahead and put some primer on my eyes. I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics, and we're going to go in with the Too Faced Christmas in New York palette. I'm kind of excited to try this. I haven't used this one yet. Did you guys get this collection? Let me know. I need to know. Alright, so we're just going to dive right in, and there's just tons of pinks, a little bit of a brown in here. I think I'm going to start off with So Ho Ho. This one is very powdery, very, very powdery. We're just going to put this in the crease. We will worry about blending later. Let me know how the lighting is. It's really, really wet outside, and I've got all artificial lights right now. I always like to do my crease dark. It helps to make my eyes stand out and my lid look a little bit bigger. So after I'm done putting on that color, I'm going to go in with my master brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. And we are just going to sweep right around in circular motions to blend that in. I like it. That's a pretty color. Okay, so we can take it a step darker and go into Rocket and Roll. I'm going to use the same brush, which is the All Over Shadow brush by Shayna B. I do like some of her brushes. I haven't used them all, but and put that right in the crease and towards the outer part of the eye, and then we'll go back in and blend. Whew. It's been a while since I've done my makeup. Go back in, blend her out. There's some really pretty shimmers in here. I'll put the colors on the screen for you. So far, so good. I am using a different mirror. It's okay. Talk about that later when I do my FabFitFun unboxing. Alright, so we're good. I know I am light, I'm pale. It is all of the alpha hydroxy acid I've been using, glycolic, you know, the glycolic acid and all that stuff. So it peels the skin, and this is what's underneath. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with a shimmer. What shimmer do I want to use? We've got Eggnog Teami and NYE, New York. Oh, okay, in New York City. Okay, all right. Let's see. We want to get like a packing brush, something that is going to lay down the color nice and flat. I've got a few brushes that I just washed. Let me get one of those. I needed just a few. All right. These are damp too, so you don't have to actually put setting spray on them. If that's what you do when you use your shimmers, that's what I usually do. I'm going to go ahead and go right in with this NYE. And this is a crown brush. Ooh. I did swatch these on a shorts, so I'll try to include that in here for you if you're just here for the swatches. Using this mirror is very different. Hopefully you guys can see everything I'm doing. And when you have a damp brush, oh, I was just saying that. I already told you. I don't have to use setting spray. Let me go ahead and take this a step further and go in with a more detailed brush. It's this guy. This tiny little Morphe brush. And we're going to go in with the Eggnog shade. And put this in the corner. That's lightening that up very nicely. Try to give the illusion that my eye looks a little bigger than what it is. Yeah, wet brush definitely helps. If the color starts to bunch up, don't worry, just go in with a blending brush and blend it out. Cool. Alright, I'm going to use this brush, dip it on over, and apply more of that same color, the NYE one, whatever that was. With this, because this brush is a little bit more wet, so it should pop out a lot more. How is everybody doing? Christmas is almost here. It is a crazy time of year, so make sure you tell me how everything is going. How's the traveling? How's the, if you're traveling, how's the parking lots when you go to the store? Or are you just ordering your stuff online? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are doing that. And I heard Amazon was down yesterday too, so there were some issues. Alright, so I'm liking this. This is nice. Nice and light. I can go ahead now and grab like a mini round brush or a brush like this. This one here is the Smoky Detailer from MOTD. And basically what I'm going to do is take the matte, the darkest colors, and mix them together. And we're just going to go down here and apply it. Okay. Too Faced palettes always smell good. Did you guys get this collection? This was the Christmas Around the World. I did use every single palette now. This was the last one that I had needed to try out. Alright, we got that going. You could take a pencil brush and one like this, a Luxie, and dip it into these two colors again, and just make sure it's nice and blended. Make sure everything looks like it belongs together. It is so different putting on makeup with light skin. I need to go tanning. Alright, I'm going to use what I've been using, my fur liner, my Kylie Jenner in, I don't know, matte black or something I think it's called. It's her new formula, and I like it a lot. Oh, sharpener doesn't though. Ooh. You can do your upper waterline if you want to. It will make a difference, and you should see it because the colors I have on my eyes are super light. Okay. So weird using this mirror. I'm going to go ahead and grab my tiny little brush again. Dip it into eggnog. And really lighten this up. And then I'll go ahead and go in with my liquid black liner for the top of my eye. This here is the Tarte. I need to throw this one out. It's been in here too long. I'll put that aside. Alright, here we go. Right at the lash line. I pretty much always wear false lashes, so I really do like that line there. Take your time. You do not have to bring the liner all the way down if you do not want to. It's completely up to you. Some people think that you should, you know? Like, alright, well. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do a wing today. I'm not sure if you guys were able to catch everything. I sure hope so. Alright, let me do some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is my finished look with the Christmas in New York palette. The colors blended super well. These palettes always smell good. This one kind of smells like chocolate or cocoa. I'm not sure what it's supposed to smell like, but that's what it smells like to me. But I really enjoy it. You know what? I didn't use the blush. It just seems like it's a little bright for me. So I'm going to skip that today, and I'm going to skip the lipstick because, let me tell you, my lips have been completely dry. So this palette came with one of three. It was Christmas in New York, the one I just used here, Christmas in Sydney, and then there was Christmas in Sydney. Oh, Christmas in Rio. Yes, and I've got tutorials on each one of them if it's something that you would like to see. The three palettes came together. It was either $45 or $49, and it came with a small mascara. That was the Too Faced Better Than Sex. If you have any questions for me or want to see a specific look, I just went with a natural everyday look today. Let me know that down in the comments below, and thank you for spending some time with me today. I love you guys so very much. I will see you really, really soon in another video. Bye.